Okay guys, we are back with another video. Today we have 3 packages from Influenster. I know I've been telling y'all to sign up for Influenster. I may do a video explaining how to sign up and everything, but these are the free items that they've sent me, and they're gonna be different brands. So we're gonna open it up together and see what they're sending me. So, let me take this away. In this first box, you can already tell it's a NYX, a NYX product. I always say NYX. So this is their contour stick, it looks like. The inside of the packaging isn't so cute, but this is what it looks like. So I have it in the color Deep. And what I'm gonna do is try it on for you guys. This is, usually they'll send like some information about the product. They're saying it's the new and improved. So I guess they already had a Wonder Stick, like a contour stick, but they improved. They say it's a new creamy formula. So let's test it out and see. Y'all, I always be about to break the box with y'all. This comes in this packaging. Like this. Super cute, easy to carry around if you need it. Oh, sorry. So this is highlighter. This has to be, yeah, this has to be highlighter. Let me try it on the skin. Okay, it comes up really, really nice, especially on dark skin. I'll definitely be using that, and then I'll show you guys what the Deep looks like. Want to make sure that's focusing. Okay, so it's definitely darker. I think this will do what I needed to do just for a light contour, which is better because I don't like when it's so many shades from your actual complexion. So, I would give it 5 out of 5. I like the product. Of course, I'm gonna test it out and put a full face on, but I just want to show y'all that. So this next box, let's see, what is in here? Okay. So they have turtles in here. I don't know if you guys like this. My sister loves this candy, okay? Green apple chapstick, which a girl can always keep a chapstick in her bag. And then a brand I already love, so it's easy for me to already rate this product. I've used it a bunch of times. The orange, lavender, and tea tree oil. This is like an all-natural brand, if you guys don't know what that is. Usually, I remember when I was young, using the oatmeal one that they have. And then, oh, okay. So in addition to giving you the turtles, they also give you a coupon for a free turtle. This is pretty straight to the point. This is their Vox box. They're calling it Step into Spring. Okay, you guys, this is the one I'm most excited for. Okay, this is their first time sending me clothes, okay? Now, your girl, I've been saying, oh yeah, I'm about to get back in the gym, so this is the perfect way to start off the journey, right? With some workout clothes. So, I'll rip it open like this. Now, they usually always come in boxes, but obviously it's closed, so they probably can't fit in the box. They always make sure they have their logo on everything. Oh, they gave me some stickers, which I know a lot of people are gonna be like, they sell clothes? Yes, they do. Oh, and they sent me a lot of clothes. Well, let me open this up for y'all. In fact, I guess we might as well try them on. You know what? Let me wash my hands with this glitter on it, and then I'm gonna take them out, show y'all what it is, and try them on. Okay, we are back with freshly washed hands. So I just want to let y'all know, most of the stuff I have from them is probably going to be a medium. Some things may be a small, but probably not because, oh, okay. Let's talk about the quality, y'all. Look, stop playing with them. Now, I know a lot of people are like, Peloton sells clothes. Yes, they do, or they're coming out with them. And they're smart. Okay, they have the pocket on it with their sign, their logo. They have pockets on both sides. These are very smart pants. I love when they do that because if you're going running, you need to be able to keep something in your pocket, whether it's a card, whether you put your phone there, whatever. And they're very stretchy. And I'm gonna try them on for you guys. I'm super excited. Here's the next one. So this is like a highlighter, green. Oh, shorts. Let me tell y'all something. The material on this feels so good. I think this is my, I'm all in the camera. I think this is my like most favorite package to date. I love this. Like, it's not that thin. Like, this is like double lined and it's so perfect. I cannot wait to get in the gym, take some pictures and show y'all what it's looking like. Good. And it's giving me a lot of stuff. I love it. Hey. Clearly about to be one of those IG models that be in the gym and, you know, they just be taking pictures. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm really gonna be working. Okay, so these are some, these might be leggings too. They look like a little long though, so they may go more to your ankle or something. And they have Peloton at the end of it. Super cute. All of them stretch a lot, just to let y'all know. If y'all are interested in buying any Peloton clothing, or if y'all just sign up for Influenster, y'all could have had it like me, okay? So, this is the next one that they sent me, which I'm gonna make sure I get them some good videos and pictures because they sent me a lot of stuff. They really did, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this little workout shirt. I don't know if it actually goes with anything over here. It may not, but it's still cute. Good quality. And they feel really durable. Like if you sweat in this, like it's gonna absorb the sweat up so fast. Like I love that. Okay, don't give me a hard time now. Okay, and I'm so glad. Listen, they sent me a sports bra. They know what time it is. I love a good sports bra. Okay? There is padding in the bra. My favorite. Make sure the girls are up. They look good. It's a thick material, but not too thick. And you can tell that it's breathable. But yeah, at this point, I'm going to just try this on and show y'all how it looks. Don't mind the table. But yeah, I'm gonna say this is my favorite package to date.